Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Study with me. In this lecture number 3 of trigonometric sums, we are going to start with one sum. In triangle ABC right angle to B, AB is equal to 24 centimeter, BC is equal to 7 centimeter. We have to find sin A, cos A and sin C, cos C. Here I have drawn triangle accordingly, as this triangle is mentioned that ABC triangle with which has B as a right angle, so it is a right angle, and we have the values of AB and BC, that is AB is equal to 24 centimeter and BC is equal to 7 centimeter. Now first, by using Pythagoras theorem, we will find AC. Therefore here, by using Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Here AC is equal to hypotenuse, AB and BC are the other sides. Now moving forward, we'll be calculating AC. Therefore substituting values of AB and BC, that is 24 square plus 7 square, that is equal to 24 square is 576 plus 7 square is 49, so we get 625, that is equal to AC square, and AC is equal to 25, as by taking square roots on both sides. Now we are knowing the value of AC, so now we can calculate sin A and cos of A. Here we have to take this angle as theta now for first calculation of angle A, and here it is the value 25. Now for angle A, sine of A will be opposite upon hypotenuse, that is equal to 7 by 25. See, for angle A, this is AC is hypotenuse, and hypotenuse doesn't change, as this is opposite to 90-degree angle. Theta changes accordingly, the value of opposite and adjacent side changes. For here, opposite side is BC, but for this angle theta of C, this will be opposite side. So now for angle A, we are having sine of A is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse, that is equal to 7 by 5. Similarly, cos of A is equal to adjacent upon hypotenuse, that is equal to 24 by 25. Similarly, for sine of angle C, that will be equal to opposite upon hypotenuse. Now we have to consider this as theta. For this angle theta, 24 will be opposite side, so we are having value 24 by 25, as the hypotenuse doesn't changes for a triangle. Now cos of C will be equal to adjacent upon hypotenuse, and for this it will be 7 by 25 from the figure C. Angle theta's adjacent side, that is BC, and it is equal to 7. Here value of sin A and value of cos C is equal, and value of cos A and sin C is equal. Thank you guys. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.